Don't worry, lads. We're almost there. It's been a long way, but we're almost there. Um, you know, October, December this year is when we're looking at finally getting the shit over with. And for any of you out there that may be going through any kind of relationship problem or maybe thinking about getting a divorce, don't go through the courts. I mean, if you're in Texas, don't do it. That I can tell you right now from firsthand experience, don't do it, especially if you got kids. But I can't speak for any other state. But if you're here, I'm telling you, don't do it. Um, it's a big risk, especially with all of the technology that's out there. You don't need a lawyer to drain your bank account to maybe get you what you want. But at the end of the day, the only person that wins is the lawyer or the court system. So that's just my opinion based on what I'm currently dealing with and I have been dealing with for the last 2 years. But nonetheless, in the background, of course, I've still been learning and trying to better my understanding of everything and build up the website, get the mobile app ready. And obviously, I just announced the mobile app in the Discord a little bit earlier. If you want to test it out, just send me your email via DM and I'll get you hooked up with that. Essentially, I mean, all it is, it's nothing too confusing. It should be pretty intuitive. Basically, everything that we've learned over the last, 3 years, it's just all put into one place where you can, filter it, manage it, view it how you want to, and it's not going to be so confusing. Step up from where we were before, essentially. So, things like the TD9 RSI, you can easily see it on display, and the mobile app is essentially just the same thing as the website, but just in a mobile app format. But you can go individual ticker, or you can go market as a whole, and that's what the Confluence engine is for. It takes, a wide variety of factors from volatility metrics, open interest, intraday volume, underlying volume, institutional ownership trends, analyst ratings, news, things like that. All of that shit is put into account when we're splitting apart bullish and bearish confluence based on those totality of circumstances. Then you can go ticker specific, and if you wanted to look at Nvidia, for example, you could easily type it in and see all of its metrics here. Again, bear with me. This is a work in progress, but that's why it's in open testing right now. I'm hoping to get everything finalized and production ready in about, I would hope, 2 weeks. So that being said, yeah, just bear with me. I know it's been a long ass road, and those of you that have stuck around, it will be worth the wait, and it's still coming. It's just, god damn, I didn't think it would take this long, but we'll get back into it. So just hang in there, man. But yeah, I do appreciate everybody that stuck around. Um, Again, if you do want to test the app, just reach out, and I will give you that information, and we'll see what we can do with it. So, anyways, y'all have a good one.